Hi, my name is Sebastian Guro. I was the industry professional coach for the San Diego State University team. Please help me welcome the San Diego State University Rising CMs.
Hi, I'm Bailey Ramos and I am a senior at San Diego State and I am construction.
Hello, my name is Pablo. I'm a senior at San Diego State studying construction engineering.
Hi, my name is Anthony Kyle. I'm also a senior and I'm also studying construction engineering.
Hi, I'm Drew Moore and I'm a civil engineering major in my junior year.
Hi, I'm Brennan Morrison and I'm a junior at San Diego State in construction management.
Hi, I'm Juliette Livanos. I'm in my 4th year of my construction engineering.
Construction is a functional need for our controlled environment. It applies art and science to construct buildings and infrastructure to fulfill its purpose of maintaining and enhancing the well-being of our society and the functionality of our built environment. San Diego State is unique for being the only local university that has an ABET accreditation in several engineering departments. It is also one of 20 in the world to offer the construction engineering program.
As construction students at SDSU, we're well-rounded because our curriculum consists of technical classes like physics and statics in order to be able to have a technical understanding of designs. Not only this, but we also learn about contracts that teach us the legal and ethical aspects of construction. I think that this is a crucial component of being a good project manager. We get an in-depth look at the different phases that make up a project. One of the most important classes that taught me about deadlines and the vocabulary of the industry was construction methods with Professor LaCroix. She had project engineers and project managers come and speak to the class to talk about current projects around San Diego.
Our unique construction engineering program is ABET accredited, which is the most nationally recognized accreditation for engineering degrees all around the world. The accreditation also qualifies construction engineering students to take the FE exam, or otherwise known as the EIT exam for engineers in training. This is a first step towards licensure as a qualified professional engineer. Additionally, students are promoted CMAA certification postgrad, which is construction managers in training, as part of developing their credentials as professionals in the construction industry. Personally, I plan on taking both of the exams in my final semester of college, and I've been feeling pretty optimistic about my chances of passing due to our education here.
In my experience, all of the professors in the construction engineering program are very supportive and helpful. They'll go above and beyond to help their students. 3 of the professors that impacted me the most were Thais Alves, Nancy LaCroix, and Reza Akavian. At one time or another, they had showed me an abundance of support. I can tell from how they speak about previous students and when they work with current ones that they genuinely want us to succeed. They have a lot of experience in the industry. Some have worked in construction at general contractors and others have worked in different areas of the community.
As mentioned, our curriculum as construction engineering students prepares us to be competent design builders. In addition to learning about the fundamentals of construction management, we are introduced to the many fundamentals of engineering design and analysis. The range of courses allows us to get a general understanding of just about every aspect of building design and construction management. And it'll expose us to certain specializations that we may want to pursue in our future careers. Personally, for me, some of the courses I've enjoyed most have been revolving around structural engineering and in particular, virtual design and construction, which is what our team will be competing in Reno this year.
My virtual design and construction class with Professor Akavian introduced me to the virtual world of construction. This class sparked my passion for virtual design construction and made me excited to be a part of the AGC Reno competition. Akavian taught us many of the programs currently used in the industry, like Revit, Navisworks, BIM 360, and many others. This class gave me a lot of relevant knowledge as to what programs I'll be using in my career, which makes me marketable to future employers.
At SDSU, students can learn more about engineering principles through hands-on learning and site visits. Specifically, with our construction methods course, construction engineering students can learn the importance of job site safety and earn their OSHA 10-hour certification. They can also see real examples of site logistics plans, steel fabrication, and wood or steel framing. Civil engineering students can take our surveying course to learn how to use surveying equipment to measure land elevations and horizontal distances. Other classes use computer labs so that students can learn about the digital software used in the industry. Students can take the virtual design and construction course to use and learn the principles of Revit, Navisworks, and SketchUp and how those programs are used in real applications. Further expanding on hands-on learning, it's an advantage to students to be able to learn more about the school's own projects. For example, in the spring of 2018, students were able to visit the Huashacock Hall with Clark Construction. At this specific site, students learned about the steps of project closeout and punch lists. Currently, some SDSU students are even working on site for SDSU's new Aztec Stadium project with Clark Construction, an opportunity granted to them with help from SDSU's CMAA AGC student chapter.
The construction engineering program at SDSU would not be possible without the incredible support it receives from CMAA and AGC. Along with our industry sponsors, these companies offer many opportunities for students at SDSU. The construction engineering program also prepares students for the CMIT with courses in contract law and construction management.
Professional Development Day, the largest career fair for construction students, was a great experience for me that made me realize that SDSU students have opportunities all around them. Being a part of the CM Rising Conference and AGC Reno competition was really impressive to people I was speaking to.
At this year's Professional Development Day, I had the opportunity to network with over 60 different companies. The most important part of Professional Development Day to me was not only networking, but getting to know which companies I can or cannot see myself having a career at.
The Reno competition is the biggest event of the year, where many universities across the country come together and compete. It is a great opportunity to gain insight by solving first world construction problems, collaborating with teammates, and networking with national companies.
The 2022 SDSU Virtual Design and Construction Reno team is also able to learn through site visits. The current team consists of both construction and civil engineers. And as a construction engineering student, these site visits help me with learning how project activities are scheduled and how project milestones are created. In addition to scheduling, the VDC team can see how using 3D modeling systems such as Revit and Navisworks can foresee a clash between subcontractors before it actually happens.
As a civil engineering major, the Reno competition is valuable to me by familiarizing me with the construction industry in great detail. I'm able to visit construction sites and work on a team with construction engineers. In my career, I will be able to work with general contractors much more effectively thanks to my understanding and respect for the industry that I've been learning.
San Diego State University does a great job of supporting women learning about construction. The Women in Construction chapter hosts lots of events regularly and creates a safe and fun community for guys and girls in the program.
Our construction engineering program is partnered with Lean Construction Institute in order to learn more about lean project delivery. This is a part of a general push to improve efficiency and integration of project participants in construction projects. Our department chair, Thais Alves, is our main connection to learning more about these principles and getting involved in a community of like-minded people seeking to learn more about lean construction.
My construction methods class with Professor LaCroix taught me what LEED building and zero net energy means. I knew about using solar panels and sensors to reduce energy use, but I had no idea that even the orientation of the building can help maximize airflow to reduce energy consumption. It was fascinating to learn about the innovative ways that LEED builders develop for new buildings.
For the past 6 years, SDSU's construction engineering students have had a 100% success rate in graduating with job placement. SDSU's numerous industry connections allow students the opportunity to participate in internships and extracurricular activities that help them become more familiar and successful in the world of construction. On top of this, there are a variety of clubs and organizations for students to become more involved in. And personally, having switched from a business major to a construction major just last year, I couldn't be more thankful with the amount of support I've had from our faculty. Thais Alves in particular has helped me create a clear pathway to help guide me toward my goals, and I have learned more than I ever thought I would in just the past year. San Diego is a beautiful city that not only provides access to dozens of construction companies, but it also provides a close-knit community that fosters connections and will help anyone achieve their goals.
Last test.